Okay, I found this. Somebody was throwing it away, and I hate to see things that are really not bad. I mean, it works, okay? The wheels are good on the bottom. The handle's good. Okay, the plate is good. The only thing it's not is these right here. Okay, now the bearings are real bad in this one, otherwise I would just replace the wheel alone. This one, the wheel is shot and the bearings aren't great, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go online and purchase some wheels that will go on here. I measured it. You know, these are 5-inch wheels, but it's from here to the end of the wheel would be about 6 inches. And then this threaded bolt that comes through is 1/2 inch. So it's easy to find online. You can get them for probably about $8 a piece. Okay, the wheels arrived, and they have the 1/2 inch stem. I think it's a nicer wheel than what was on here, but I had to buy a set of 4. I couldn't just buy 2, so it cost me $30. But and then I'll have 2 more if something happens to these. So all right, I'm going to remove the nut, which the nut on the other side of this is a 14 millimeter. All right, let me remove it. All right, the new wheels didn't come with any nuts, but this one that came off the other set worked fine. So I'm glad about that. Well, I got one on. Let me get the other one on. Okay, I got them both on. I know I said before that these nuts were 14 millimeter. They're actually 19 millimeter. Didn't have my glasses on. All right. Well, now you got to cinch them up nice and tight, okay? To have a lead piece on the end that hits it, and as you tighten it, it squashes it and makes them nice and tight. Okay? That looks real good. I'm real pleased with it. Okay, now I just noticed the other problem with this is the handle doesn't have a bolt for here. If I go and pull on that handle hard enough, it'll pull right out. So let me get a bolt for that. Okay. I found these. I have these in a box. I know they're a bit long, but it's not going to matter to me. Okay? I mean, it's going to hold it to where I want it. I actually have a job that I'm going to be able to use this on Monday. I have a vanity that I need to take on the cart, and now I'm going to be able to. Alright, so these were the right size, which I was amazed, but it works good. So they go right in. I don't have to worry about any threading here. All right, it works. Okay, I'm going to be able to use this on Monday to bring the vanity around the yard, be able to lay it down. That's why I really like this cart. I have a different one that you can lay down, but the handle goes up and you can't just put something on it all the way. So now this one can easily move the vanity on it. I'll strap it on and I'll get it around the property. All right, great. Building with Papa. like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. All right, this is awesome.